Hello friends, welcome to my channel Money Creation, and I welcome you all to a super exciting video wherein we are going to talk about top 5 companies who have come up with good quarterly results. But how did I come up with these companies, or how did I shortlist these companies? For that, of course, I used Screener and I put a filter wherein the following parameters were set. The very first one is Q4 sales is more than 25% than Q3 sales. Q4 profit is more than 20% than Q3 profit. Or return on capital employed is more than 15%. In case if you did not understand these parameters, I will just give you a quick explanation on this. First of all, what I am checking that Q4 as in the March ended quarter numbers, I mean the sales numbers. The sales number should be more than 25% as compared to the December quarter. If I am talking about profit, this quarter profit should be more than 20% of the previous profit, and overall ROC should be more than 15%. So before we move on with the companies, let me tell you that whatever parameters that we have used today is specially focusing on companies whose quarterly results are better. The very first one is Varun Beverages Limited. Now, what is Varun Beverages Limited? What does this company do? It's obviously into the beverages industry, and it is one of the largest franchisee of PepsiCo in the world. But I am talking about outside USA. So you should write this: the company typically manufactures, distributes two types of drinks. One is carbonated drink, something like Pepsi, 7-Up, Mirinda, Mountain Dew, etc. And one is like non-carbonated beverages, something like Tropicana. Okay, now that the basic model is clear, let's focus on the numbers. If we check the previous quarter's top line, that is nothing but the revenue was 2214 crores and it is jumped to 3893 crore. That's a big jump of almost 75.83% in the top line. If I talk about the EBITDA margin, the EBITDA that has jumped from 14 to 20%. If I talk about the net profit, that has jumped a control by 435%. So net profit is increased by 435% from 82 crore to 439 crore. Its ROCE, if we remember, we had taken a filter of 15, but its ROC is 27.8%. Before we move on to the second company, let me tell you one important point about Varun Beverages. Like you saw that there was a huge jump in the net profit of 435%. Now, why? Because this is a kind of seasonal business and the December quarter has always been weak. To check that, have a look at this. You can clearly see that every single time December quarters have shown less profitability and less sale numbers. Let's move on with the second company, and that is NMDC. Well, this is a company which is a Navaratna public sector undertaking which operates under the Ministry of Steel under Government of India, and it is the single largest producer of iron ore in India. Okay, what does it do? It owns and operates highly mechanized iron ore mines in the two states of Chhattisgarh and Karnataka. Like in the previous company you understood. Okay, Varun Beverages is mainly into the manufacturing, basically producing, distributing and selling what beverages. Similarly, what does this company do? This company is basically the single largest producer of iron ore, and they are going to sell it as per the needs of the clients. Now, if I want to talk about the financial numbers for this company, their revenue has jumped up as compared to the previous quarter. It has jumped up by almost 57.28% from 3720 crore to 5851 crore. If I am talking about the EBITDA margin, that has jumped from 31.37%. and the net profit has jumped by 148% from 914 crore to 2272 crore, and the company is generating an ROCE of 21.1%. Well, the third company was formed as a joint venture between the Timken company and the Tisco. That is nothing but the Tata Steel, and the name of the company is Timken India Limited. This was incorporated back in 1987, and this company is mainly into manufacturing, distributing, and the sale of anti-friction bearing accessories, components, and few other related products. Right now, if I were to talk about the financials, their top line, that is the revenue numbers, have increased by 31.85% from 609 crore to 803 crore. The EBITDA margin has jumped from 17 to 19%. Net profit has jumped by 47.88% from 71 crore to 105 crore. And the ROC of this company is 28%. Let's move on with the fourth company, and that is Bharat Electronics Limited. Well, this company is also a Navaratna PSU, and it falls under the Ministry of Defence, under the Government of India. So what does this company do? This company manufactures state-of-the-art products and systems for whom? For Indian Army, for Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. To go on to little bit specifies, this company basically comes up with products and services with relation to Homeland Security Solutions, Railway Security Solutions, Railway and Metro Solutions, Airport Solutions, Smart Cities, E-Governance Solutions, Space Electronics including satellite integration, energy storage products including e-vehicle, charging stations, solar, network and cyber security, electronic voting machines, telecom products, passive night vision devices, medical electronics, composites and software solutions. Coming to the financials, there is a revenue growth which there is a jump of almost 4153 crore to 6479 crore, like 56% on QQ basis. EBITDA has jumped from 21 to 28%. If I were to talk about the net profit, that has jumped by 125% from 614 crore to 1382 crore, and their ROCE is at 30%. And the fifth company is KPR Miller Limited, a prominent player in the Indian textile industry, has solidified its position as a leading vertically integrated apparel manufacturing company with 12 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and a workforce of over 30,000 dedicated employees. KPR Mill Limited specializes in manufacturing high-quality ready-made knitted apparel encompassing a wide array of styles and designs to suit different customer preferences. In addition to apparel, the company produces an impressive selection of fabrics including compact, melange, carded, polyester and combed yarn. If we talk about the financial performance, the company witnessed a remarkable 36% increase in revenue. However, there was a slight decline in EBITDA margin, which dropped from 19 to 16%. While this decline may raise concerns, it's important to note that the company's profitability (PAT) growth remains strong with a 20% increase in profit. With ROCE of approximately 24.7%, the company demonstrates its ability to generate substantial returns for stakeholders, reflecting its sound financial management and effective resource allocation. So these are the top 5 companies with amazing quarterly results. If you want to own this stock, you can definitely go for it. So signing off today. Hope this video will be helpful to all of you who want to own a stock in these companies and was not a clear vision about the companies. Hope I am able to provide you a proper guide about the stocks. If you have liked the video, then please subscribe to my channel Money Creation for more finance related informations. And click the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching the video. See you in next videos. Bye.